everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sidra and today I am going to share with you my go-to pancake recipe, which is very easy and delicious. Here is what you will need. So let's begin. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon sugar. Add 1 tablespoon butter. Make sure the butter is at room temperature. Mix it. Now add 1 egg. One teaspoon baking powder. Half teaspoon vanilla essence. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Whisk until all the ingredients are blended well. Now add 1 cup flour. And gradually add 3/4 cup milk. Mix until a smooth batter is formed and there are no lumps, but do not overmix, and the pancake batter is ready. Heat a non-stick pan and drizzle a few drops of oil. Now pour around 2 to 3 tablespoons batter at a time. Let the pancake cook for around 1 minute on each side or until they are light brown, and repeat the same for all the pancakes. This recipe will yield around 6 to 8 pancakes depending on the size you make. Here you go, quick and delicious pancakes are ready to serve. Serve hot with the topping of your choice. I hope you guys like this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on so you're notified every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching.